Speaker, I wanted to comment on the statement from the Senator of Nandi, but I wanted to let this House know that we had actually submitted a motion of adjournment to discuss what happened to Senator Ososi. It is quite heartbreaking, Honorable Speaker, because this is the first day we resume after that incident. We were hoping to get opportunity to have that conversation. I'm told that the Speaker has not approved, and as somebody pointed out, Honorable Speaker, up to today, the leadership of this House has not communicated on something that happened to one of our colleagues. It's quite disappointing and sad. Honorable Speaker, let me just address the question of voter registration that Senator Wambua has brought. You know, Speaker, as a leader of a political party myself, we have run multiple registration drives in previous elections, and we know just how difficult it is, which is why, Honorable Speaker, I want to take this opportunity to commend the young people of this country who have decided that they are going to run this registration drive themselves. There's a young man on social media, Honorable Speaker, called Allen Zademba. If there was ever a person in this country who deserves a state commendation, it is that young man who has mobilized the Tukokadi movement. Mr. Speaker, you'll remember a few years ago, this country actually awarded a HSC, a head of state commendation, to somebody for simply standing in a line holding a bag of githeri for voting. So what Allen Zademba has been able to achieve in terms of registration of over 1 million young people in a very short space, I think even these titles that some of us have should be given to people like Allen Zademba because of the civic education that he's doing there. And at a fraction, Honorable Speaker, of the budgets that we see from IEBC. I just want that in that statement as well, the committee addresses some of the concerns that we have seen. First of all, this commission that is headed by Rasta Zetekon is very poor in communication. There was a lot of confusion when they told us the issue of people who registered prior to 2012. We need them to communicate with clarity, Honorable Speaker, and address some of the concerns that we have heard from the ground, including, Honorable Speaker, allegations of registration of foreigners, especially in the border.